Croatia. So this is just a beautiful view. As I told you guys, we're doing the excursion with Royal Caribbean. This is like the little dock where you can jump from. And then at this beach is very chilled. If you want something that's a little bit more calm, this is for you. Right now they are putting everything together because there's going to be a live band playing, I'm guessing for a group of people. But it's a very, very chilled out, nice beach with a beautiful city view. The water is cold, but once you get in, you get used to it. It's amazing. I also did want to point out that they have snacks available if you want to eat something. They have pizza, they have lemonades, they have soft drinks, and then they have wraps if you want to eat some of that. So it's really something light that you can have for lunch. They do have tents, not tents, they do have umbrellas with chairs, and those were included in the fee that we paid with Royal Caribbean. So we got 2 chairs and then we got 1 umbrella. I'm just gonna give you a heads up. If you have sensitive feet, make sure to wear something comfortable on your feet, like some type of shoe that's made for the water, because I've twisted my foot 1,000 times already, and there's rocks at the bottom, especially towards the shore. So from here, I'm gonna take you to the other part of the excursion, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna jump in the water again, I'm gonna eat something, and then we're leaving. Look, that's Royal Caribbean over there. This is gorgeous. So we are inside. It's like a little place where you can come and you can sit. So just so you know, they have drinks here. They have coffee. They have, in other words, alcoholic beverages. This is a little stand where they sell ice cream. Yeah, they have ice cream, and then they have warm food like pizza. Let's see what else. What is this? This is more pizza, and then this is a hot dog. Oh wow, and this is a chicken wrap.
€7.
Here's the price, €7. And this is passion fruit lemonade, and I want a hot dog. We are at Copacabana, so we got this. Is a mango. It is Copacabana. No, this is Copacabana Beach. Trust me, it's outside. Prepare to be moved. The sea. Okay, I just read something. So this is a mango lemonade, right? Mango juice. Mango juice, and then this is a hot dog with melted cheese, and they didn't heat up the hot dog. Well, they didn't heat up the whole thing in general, so the bread is a little bit hard, but you know, you're only here once. So how much was this, Sandy?
€13.
13 euros. So 13 euros for these 2 things. The mango juice is good. It's really good. I like mango juice. Okay, let's try this. Okay. It's old, but it's good. The weather on this specific day, mind you, we went in the month of June. It was very hot, but I'm talking about super, super hot. The beach has umbrellas that you can rent. There's showers available. They have public restrooms. Here's the downside. There's no sand where the umbrellas are or throughout that beach. So get your feet ready for rocks, especially inside the water. We came down the hill. Well, the same way we came down. Now we gotta go back up.
Washy washy before yummy yummy. Washy washy hey.
Hello, my beautiful followers. So we made it back to the ship. I didn't go into the room because I was hungry. So this is my lunch. I am having, well, as you guys can see, white rice. I love white rice. And then I'm also, this is the brisket. And then I got, this is a stew, but I get it because of the carrots. I really like carrots. And then fish. You guys know that I love fish. So we are leaving Croatia. Just took a shower. I wanted to show you guys the beautiful, beautiful view of this city. Beautiful. Can't wait to come back. I loved it here. So the ship said that we needed to be back by 3. We were back like at 11ish. So they left at 3:55 like. Sandy, can you tell us a little bit about the excursion?
Sure. We're going to 3 places. I think one is Delos. The other one, I don't know. And the other one is Mykonos downtown. JK, town of Mykonos.
But stay, if the bridge is here, stay here until this longer start to get.
That's Delos Island right there. So we are on top of the boat. Here is the beginning of the tour, and they told us that they have sufficient life jackets for everyone. So we are going to make our way to the next port, and that's where the cruise is going to begin. Our destination, and I want for you guys to see the view. The water here is so beautiful. Oh, those are the bathrooms. They told us to use the bathrooms on the boat because they only have 2 bathrooms for everyone here. Delos is an ancient island in Greece. With this tour, what they're going to do is that they're going to guide you throughout the city so that you can get an insight of how this civilization lived. The guide told us that without electricity, when people would live here, they created an AC system using marble and water. Basically, they would fill the floor with water, and since marble itself is cool, they would go inside the room to cool off. It's me again. So behind me, this is a museum shop. It's open on one side, but right now it's not fully functioning. And behind that is where they have a water fountain, not a water fountain, but they sell bottled water. You have to have coins for it. That's very important. If you don't have coins, then there's like a little shop. Let's see if I can show you. Right over there, where you can change €5, and then they give you money so that you can go and get your bottled water. But just so you guys have an idea, let me show you. Let's go. Look, this is where they have the water fountain. I keep saying water fountain, but this is where they have the bottled water right here. And then this is the ocean, the shore. It's so beautiful. So there is a cafeteria that they have, which I think looks like a cafeteria, so I wanted to show you. And then the restrooms are also here. Wait, I disappeared. Oh no, it's not a cafeteria. I think this is where they exchange the money. It's not a cafeteria. So yeah, no food. And then this is the ship that's going to take us to the second part of the excursion because this excursion is for like 8 hours. So we haven't ate anything. I had breakfast before I left. That's about it. So there's a cafeteria inside the ship. They only accept cash. So there's fruit, sandwiches, drinks, sodas. This is where we're gonna sit. So I will sit here. So I'll have to get in through here. Ah! There's Sandy over there. And then look at this view. Gorgeous. Everyone is having a snack break. Can't even breathe. And I'm having this sandwich. Tomatoes here have a whole new taste. This is ham, bread, and I want for you guys to see how cool this is. So, my hair is a mess, but here's the sandwich. How much was this?
8 euros.
2 of these and 1 of these. It was 8 euros. Not bad. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia. I have some vlogs already here on my channel, and I'm gonna be listing the playlist down in the info box. I have so many excursions to share with you guys. I have more Venice vlogs coming up, so I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.